it going? Off to work. It's a lovely Monday morning. But I don't really cannot be arsed with. Racing a cyclist. Camera aside of my head. Oh, fucking silly with pointed up and so. Let's slow down, love. Doggy. Did you have a top hat on? Oh yeah, fucking come out at the same time. Cock. Fuck you. Fuck it, honestly. Meow. So I think Mr. VanVan, we're going this lane. Yeah. Elmo wanna go in this lane. Go on, Mr. VanVan. What the fuck are you doing? There's a few shout outs as well that I want to make. A few thank yous. I'd like to say thank you to Thunderous71, who's helped me out a bit, quite a lot. He's also as well put me on as his guest vlogger on his latest video, which is very nice of him. Thanks a lot, pal. Also, I'd like to thank Weem and Smo for having a look at my video, latest one, and answering, commenting. Thank you very much. Oh, fucking hell, here we go again. Fucking 2 bus meet up. Cunts. Fuck off. There's another guy actually I've just stumbled across who subscribed to me yesterday, who's absolutely fucking mental. At fucking filtering. Honestly, you gotta see his fucking vlogs. His filtering's fucking insane. His name up here now, but yeah, fucking insane, honestly. He's local to me as well, so I'm going to try and meet up. Oh yeah. Now, I think my fucking spleen just fell out then. Fucking really? Fucking idiot. What is he fucking doing? I fucking don't indicate, I'll guess. Come on, it's a 40, mate. It's a fucking 40. What am I doing, Freddy? You can put foot down. Foot down. Ah, fucking hell. Fucking driving Miss Daisy, come on. This week I have been mostly thinking about logo. You've probably seen a few little twirls out there regarding logos. So when I put the initial tweet out, I immediately got two people who volunteered services. One seemed to be more of a small company type of thing, which I'm sure that'll have ended up being a few hundred fucking quid, or dollars, or whatever. It's not, I can't fucking justify that. Not for a logo. Another lad who told me it'd be $25, which isn't a lot. And then went on Twitter immediately afterwards, not remembering that it's, you know, I was following him in order for him to DM me, and said to other people on his Twitter account, he did logos for $15. So I thought, you fucking little cunt, that's not happening. And then got talking to Ambersaurus Rex. She said that she does logos. So I had a chat to her. Come on, cunt. And we worked it out. She's done a fantastic job. Very cheap, right? And very fair. Great communicator. Everything you want from someone who's trying to help you out. Fantastic. So I'd definitely give her a look up on Twitter if you want any logos or any designs or anything doing. Very good. We talked it over on Twitter, Messenger, and went through it at each point. I wanted to change. I'm going to stop talking because I hate this section now. Yeah, so give it a shout. Look her up. Do what you need to do if you want to design a logo. Anything. That's Ambersaurus Rex. Fucking humps. My humps! My humps! My fucking Rudy humps! What I plan to do is replace the VanVan logo on the side of the tank with the new one. That'd be sweet as fuck. At least if you see the bike out then, when you pass it you go, I wonder if that's VanVan 13. You'd be able to go, oh fuck it is! What a twat! Look at the fucking stage. That's what you'll be able to do. Stick twos up at me. Shout a cunt at me. I really can't give a fuck.